One of JJ's favorite phrases is where there is no vision, the people perish. And it reflects how he focuses on more than just Hillsdale. He sees the bigger picture for rural healthcare in America, building long-term sustainability to preserve health and ultimately save lives. He worked with state legislators on Medicaid expansion and CRNA legislation. He pushes them to keep Michigan a Certificate of Need state as rural hospitals rely on revenue from their ORs.
Few could measure up to the passionate and long-lasting commitment JJ has demonstrated over his long but thankfully not yet completed career. With his signature soft touch, he has advocated very effectively for the entire spectrum of unique challenges in rural healthcare delivery. From championing for the nurse anesthetists to be able to practice at their full breadth and scope of their training, to supporting sensibly expanding eligibility for Medicaid in our rural communities. JJ has set a high standard for all of us who desire to make a difference where we live, work, and play.
When the pandemic halted elective surgeries in Michigan, JJ wrote an open letter to the governor advocating for rural hospitals desperate to reopen their ORs. Picked up by media nationwide, it laid out the challenges rural hospitals face.
Well, I'm excited about giving a very sincere note of congratulations to JJ Hodshire for receiving the highest award you can get in rural healthcare. It doesn't surprise me. JJ is an advocate, pushing members of Congress, pushing state legislators, whatever it took to move rural healthcare forward, especially during the pandemic, was outstanding. So congratulations. I know he's going to keep it up.
Raising awareness for the healthcare challenges, successes, and opportunities facing rural America, JJ co-hosts Rural Health Rising, the hospital's weekly podcast with a national audience featuring guests from across the country.
To serve a rural hospital community, you need to have someone at the helm who has a broad vision, and JJ fits the role of someone that would and can get things done. And there's nobody I would rather have lead us as a hospital than JJ.
Instead of cutting our way to profitability, JJ is all about growth. Our vision is to lead the nation in defining and advancing the role of rural health providers, and that's the culture he fosters at Hillsdale Hospital, where we work hard to set the example for what rural health can be.
I wish to express my most sincere appreciation to the National Rural Health Association for honoring me with this award. You know, I had the opportunity to learn a little bit more about Louis Gorin, and I find it altogether fitting that this award was named after him. His advocacy, his passion, and his hard work paved the road for rural healthcare in America. We as leaders must stand tall, following his example each and every day. And that every day we are given a chance to make a difference, to lead, and to advocate for rural healthcare. And for that, I thank you for the recognition, and I look forward to the journey ahead.